with top properties. Hi, Ma'am Julie. Bakit question niyo? Unsa na siya pagkayo yung mga sabi?
Our salon has been here for 4 years now. We've been beautifying Bisaya, Filipinas here for 4 years. This is our beloved owner, Mr. John Kim.
Hi, sir. And unsa may naka-difference during a salon compare sa other? Anong sila ari magiging pareho?
Well, of course, we're using authentic Korean products here, ma'am. And of course, our very own Mr. John Kim does the hairstyling. And in fact, he's very good at it. He turns every Filipina, every Bisaya into extraordinary beauty after he's done with them. And of course, we have a free iced tea and free Wi-Fi also.
Okay. And sir, excuse me, do you have a girlfriend? Many, guys, many. Honestly, why you should, pwede mo sila invite ka ng buwan na sa mga.
Yes, everyone out there who wants to be pampered, if you want to experience the Korean pampering, please come to our Get Beauty here at Tamiya, Pasat. And we have everything you need here for your comfort, for relaxation. You can pamper your hair if you want. You can have your nails colored, foot spa for your relaxation. And we also have our products for sale here, which are authentic Korean products, international products.